Welcome to this technical video on gallium nitride, or GaN, versus silicon. We will explore why your next charger will be 3 times smaller and twice as efficient, guiding you through the wide bandgap revolution. We begin with Part 1, the silicon limit. We will look at why traditional MOSFET technology has reached its peak in terms of power density and what this means for electrical professionals. The legacy of silicon presents 3 main constraints: poor thermal conductivity, high switching losses at high frequencies, and a size bottleneck due to the large heat sinks and magnetics required to manage 60 kHz to 100 kHz limits. So what is gallium nitride? GaN is a binary 3/V direct bandgap semiconductor that has revolutionized power electronics. Unlike silicon, GaN crystals can withstand much higher electric fields, enabling smaller components for higher voltages. The wide bandgap physics provides a technical advantage. The energy gap is much wider for GaN, enabling higher temperature and voltage operation. GaN also offers a 10x breakdown field, higher electron mobility, and high temp operation up to 300 degrees Celsius. GaN enables high-speed switching. Traditional silicon chargers switch around 100 kHz, while GaN can comfortably switch at 1 MHz or higher. This higher frequency allows for smaller magnetics, significantly shrinking the physical size of the charger. In terms of efficiency and power loss, silicon can lose around 15% as heat, while GaN only loses about 5%. Less energy wasted as heat means GaN chargers don't require large internal fans or heavy heat sinks, allowing for a dense internal component arrangement. This translates to 95% wall-to-device efficiency for users. A GaN charger delivers almost all current directly to the battery, resulting in lower electricity costs, cooler touch temperatures, and an extended lifespan for internal capacitors. The compact internal density of GaN offers benefits in form factor, making 65W plugs much smaller. It enables dense surface mount technology designs and offers scalability, from 20W phone plugs to 240W EV charging systems. For electricians, GaN offers better load management due to higher efficiency, reducing amperage draw. Operating at lower temperatures increases safety and enables the new USB-C PD 3.1 standard up to 240W. Expect GaN in VFDs, solar inverters, and smart breakers. To summarize, the technical head-to-head comparison shows GaN significantly surpasses silicon in bandgap energy, electron mobility, breakdown field, thermal stability, and optimal operating frequency, paving the way for the future of power